Oh yeah. Yeah, this is cool. So what do you got going in here?
Dude, I was just coming to check this thing out. I thought it was pretty dope. I was seeing what motor's in it. It's got a 12 valve in it.
Oh yeah, dude, that's what I'm talking about. 12 valve. It's got a P pump in it too, huh?
12 valve.
Wow. Let me back this up so we can see. Oh yeah, look at that.
6 in a row, ready to tow.
Looks like it's been sitting in the bottom of an ocean.
Yeah, or in Dave's Junkyard. One of the two.
Yeah, Dave's Junkyard.
Dave's Junkyard.
It's got a Freightliner frame, I think it says.
Yeah. This is pretty cool. Where'd you get this thing, Dave?
Someone just left it.
So what's the deal with it?
Nothing, I'm gonna sell it for scrap.
There you go, Kash. What are you gonna do with it? What would be your dream?
All they do, I tell you, they drove it in.
You drove it in. That means it'll drive out.
That's good.
No.
How many years ago?
It's only been a year or so, but...
Oh, that ain't bad. Well, let's see if it'll run. If it'll run, then I don't know. Maybe you can work a deal with Dave on it. It looks like fun. This would be cool. All right, let's fire it up. See if it'll run.
Got voltage.
Oh, we got a horn. It's kind of a wussy ass horn for the big. Ah! Let's crank it. See what happens. Does it got a push button or does it start off the starter? Yeah! Just like a 12 valve. Fires right up. Yeah, it sounds pretty good. Will it go into gear? Sounds like it's gonna roll. Yeah, that's perfect. Sounds good too. So we got this trolley. I don't know, it's probably got to be a 30-passenger trolley. It's got a 12-valve Cummins in it with a P-pump, Allison automatic. It's like you never know what you're going to find at Uncle Dave's when you're out here wandering around. There's so much stuff out here that it's always fun. You come out here to pick up a $50 transmission, and then you leave with a 10,000-pound frickin' trolley. So it's going to be fun. I'm kind of interested to see what Kash's plans are with this thing and see what it's going to turn out like. Because, you know, when I was 20 years old, you know, the sky's the limit. You got all the energy in the world to make it happen, and I believe that it could come out to something pretty fun and pretty cool. So we'll see how it goes. It's gonna be fun. All right, so we got the trolley. I'm following right now, and I'm not 100% sure that it's completely straight going down the road right now. But it runs good, and it needs a little bit of work. It's kind of goofy looking. I'm interested to see what these guys are going to do with it. So Kash has already got a hold of his friends. They're all going to get together and I guess turn into their freaking weekend warrior toy hauler. Throw all their dirt bikes in it and go riding in it. It's going to be cool though. He was talking about redoing the inside, decorating the hell out of it. Maybe, I mean, they don't even know any strippers, so I don't know why they'd put a stripper pole in it, but you know, every guy, for some reason, if they have something like this, they have to have a stripper pole, and most of them don't even know a stripper. So anyway, it'll be interesting to see what happens with it. It's gonna be fun. It's really cool.
It ran like, just purred like a kitten all the way here, but it only went 43 miles an hour.
I know, I was behind you, and then I was like, okay, well, I thought I'd at least do 50. So I had to turn my hazards on.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna have to do a little pump work to this bad boy. Give her some more fuel. Maybe a little bit more air too.
Like no,
Runs like a forklift.
no air.
No air, no fuel.
Choke down.
No
Well,
RPM, no air, no fuel.
It's probably like, how many miles are on it?
According to that gauge, 21,000.
Probably 120. You think or no? Can't be 21,000. This thing's hammered.
Yeah, you gotta think. This thing probably just drove up and down a block all day long.
Maybe it runs good though. Well, what are you gonna do back here? What's your plan? Think about it.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna take the back section, probably take all the seats out of it.
You're talking back here.
Yeah.
From here. Here back.
Yeah, so from here back, take all the seats out. Just put bikes in here. Just a bunch of bikes. And then,
You get a lot of motorcycles in here.
oh yeah, for sure.
If you run them this way, you could probably get 10 of them in here.
Yeah.
Put all your pit bikes in here. You know, the good thing is if you put the pit bikes here, big bikes there, you can still roll the pit bikes right out the door.
Exactly.
And it won't be a pain in the butt. And then what about this area?
And then I'm thinking I'm gonna take this side out right here, take all the seats out. I'm gonna put a couch right there, take this side out, and I might put a little chair right here, or maybe even a table, and then probably put a TV right there. And then still have yet to find the location for a stripper pole, but it's coming.
I don't know, dude. Stripper pole, it's getting tight.
We'll make room. It's
You're gonna have to do it
mandatory.
right here.
It's mandatory.
It's gonna have to be right here, but you're gonna have to make it removable. You know what I mean? Okay, guys, so look, it's probably gonna take, I would say, a few of our YouTube videos to finish this project. I mean, I know these guys are gonna get working on it, but it's probably nothing we can do this fast. So this will be phase one. I'm gonna do 3 different videos of the bike hauler, trolley, whatever you wanna call it. And we'll keep you up to date on what's going on. But make sure you like and subscribe. We love it that you guys follow our channel, and there'll be a lot of cool stuff coming up. So thanks, guys.